How to add or remove Samsung calendar on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the calendar app. Next, we tap on the menu button at the top corner. Then tap on the settings icon. Now in here, we then scroll down and tap on manage calendars. In here, go to the Samsung account section and tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on Samsung account. This will allow you to add in the Samsung calendar. Now, if you do not see Samsung account in here, you need to add in your Samsung account. So go to the top here and tap on add account. And from there, you can add in Samsung account to your device and it will appear in the list here for you to select. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.